Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created this photo, which I've entitled Echo Base Escape. For this photo I wanted to use forced perspective to create a lot of depth, so I used figures of several different scales. I began my setup by spreading some flour over a concrete slab, then turning on my background TV, which I used to project a screenshot from The Empire Strikes Back. I then added colored gels to my lights. Next it was time to add the toys. For this shot I used the 8-inch Hypereal Black Series Darth Vader, a 6-inch Black Series Rebel Trooper and 2 Snowtroopers, a 3 3/4-inch Blaster Cannon and Snowtrooper, and the Star Wars Micro Galaxy Squadron Millennium Falcon. Editing for this photo was fairly simple. I started by focus stacking a few separate exposures and blending them together with layer masks. After that, I used the pen tool, brush tool, and some layer effects to add Vader's lightsaber blade. Next, I straightened and cropped the image and added some adjustment layers to get the lighting and color grading just the way I wanted it. Lastly, I used a custom brush to add a muzzle flare to one of the troopers' rifles. And here's the final image. Where we started, and where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time.